Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Japan. This is a really important box, and I'll tell you why in a minute. But let's first crack it open and see what's inside. So I do a bunch of unboxing of the Umai Crate boxes, right? Well, I noticed on the back of those that they have a thing called Sugoi Mart, and I've been looking for a certain variety of instant noodles to be my 4,000th review. I've passed number 4,000, but I still haven't done number 4,000. And I asked the folks at Sugoi Mart if I plugged them, so hey, go check out Sugoi Mart. Go to www.sugoimart.com and check it out and get stuff. If they'd send me some samples, and they did, and that's what's in this box. And I've been patiently waiting for it, and it came today, so let's check them out. First off, there's a sticker. I like stickers, thank you. There's also paper, and bubble wrap, and more bubble, and more bubble. All right, so I wanted one in particular, but I floated the idea, hey, if you want to send me a few, I can show people a different set of varieties that you have at your store at sugoimart.com. So here they are. Here's one I picked. So this is the Ichiron Bowl. I haven't seen this before, but I saw it on their site and I thought, hey, that sounds kind of nifty. So Ichiron ramen is really popular and it's kind of spendy, so we'll see how this one is. This one piqued my interest. This is Hell Spicy Curry from Paeong, popular Japanese brand, as you'll see later. And I don't know, this might be a mukbang variety. I might have to scarf this one down and see if I can take it. So Hell Spicy sounds pretty spicy. And when I saw this, I couldn't resist asking about it, and they were more than happy to send it. This is Hello Kitty macaroni, and my daughter Mimi is a huge fan of Hello Kitty. So, yeah, see? Yeah. Are you gonna eat it? Yeah. Cool. Here's a particularly unique one, and I've been wanting to check these out for years. This is from Japan Airlines, and this is, I believe, like a seafood champon de sky. So if you're taking a flight out of Japan or into Japan, you might get one of these on the flight, which is, that's pretty cool. Airplane ramen. And finally this one, I can't remember what the heck it is, but I thought it looked interesting. Definitely out of the way kind of variety, so yeah. Oh, but wait, there is one more. This is the one that's probably going to be number 4,000. Actually, it'll definitely be number 4,000. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do. Look at that. This is probably the biggest yakisoba in existence ever. This is big Paeong yakisoba. When I did review number 3,000, it's big, huh, Mimi? This is a noodle. She just fell over. So when I hit 3,000, I invited, who all was here? Me, my sister, my mom, my wife, my 2 kids, 3 kids. Yeah, Andy was here for that. But all of us were here, and I split that one up between all of us, and there was definitely enough food to go around. This one's twice as big. There we go. Look at this. It comes in the size of a cereal box. Yeah, sweet mother of God, folks. This is super huge. I mean, it says not for one person. I know that there's people who have probably eaten 3 of these online. Yeah, that would be, I'm not doing that. But yeah, look at that. Well, cool. Thank you for sending this all over. Man, I know I definitely won't eat that whole thing, but I'm definitely keen to try it, and it should be a definitely fascinating episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. But, wow, cool. You got me out of a jam, and I appreciate it. Thanks to sugoimart.com, sugoimart.com, sugoimart.com. And if you ever want me to find some more on your site to have you shoot over, I would be more than happy to do that, because you guys they've got some really neat stuff over there. So yeah. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.